Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 7 latest defense updates. Number 1, HAL aims to secure orders for additional 50 Tejas Mk1A aircraft. India's state-owned HAL is gearing up for a new phase of production as it plans to begin deliveries of the upgraded Tejas Mk1A aircraft from February 2024 onwards. The company's ambition does not stop here, as it aims to secure orders for an additional 50 units of Tejas MK1A, signaling its commitment to bolstering India's indigenous fighter aircraft capabilities. Next, India's next generation Tejas MK2 fighter jet to flight in 2024. In a significant development for India's aerospace industry and defense capabilities, HAL is gearing up for the inaugural flight of the Tejas MK2 fighter jet by December 2024. The announcement comes from CB Ananthakrishnan, the chairman and managing director of HAL, in an interview with Economic Times. Next, Guyana plans to procure Dornier Aircraft and Patrol vessels from India. In a move to strengthen its defense capabilities and improve connectivity, Guyana, a South American nation, is exploring avenues for collaboration with India in various defense sectors. Captain Gerald Gouveia, Guyana's national security advisor, has expressed keen interest in acquiring 2 Dornier aircraft manufactured by HAL, along with other defense equipment such as patrol vessels, armored vehicles, radar systems, and anti-drone technology. Next, IAF bolsters surveillance capabilities with upgraded Heron MK2 drones in Ladakh. In a strategic move to enhance its surveillance capabilities and bolster national security, the IAF, Indian Air Force, has acquired 4 upgraded Heron MK2 drones. This acquisition reflects India's commitment to employing advanced technology to strengthen its monitoring and surveillance efforts, especially in sensitive regions like Ladakh. Next, BARC achieves breakthrough in Proton Accelerator. In a groundbreaking achievement, India's low-energy, high-intensity Proton Accelerator at the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, has successfully reached its target energy of 20 mega electron volts with an intensity of approximately 2 milliamperes, that is MA. This remarkable feat marks a significant advancement in the realm of high current and high energy proton accelerators within the country, opening doors to a range of innovative applications. Next, India has plans for lunar exploration. As the world gears up to celebrate India's 76th Independence Day, the Indian Space Research Organization is set to mark the occasion with a significant step forward its ambitious lunar exploration program. On the eve of Independence Day, ISRO is poised to execute a complex maneuver to reduce the orbit of Chandrayaan-3, bringing India one step closer to achieving its long-standing goal of a successful lunar touchdown. Next, ACTU, that is Specialized Anticyber Terrorism Unit, to be part of NIA. In the era dominated by technological advancement, the rise of cyber threats has become a significant concern for nations around the world. India too has witnessed a growing number of cyber attacks on its critical and sensitive digital infrastructure, prompting the establishment of a specialized unit to counter such threats. The creation of Anticyber Terrorism Unit within the National Investigation Agency is a decisive step towards safeguarding India's digital sovereignty. Thank you.